YouTube, what is going down? It's your boy Mac. Today we got T'Challa outside. We're gonna be doing a quick little install today. As you guys know, I do not have any mirrors on the front of this bike, so the good folks at NRC hooked me up with these lights that's gonna help me illuminate the front of this bike when I put my turn signals on, so that the people in front of me can see when I am indicating quick install. So let's get it. So this is gonna be relatively easy. Basically, it's almost like you putting back on the mirrors. Just gotta take off that side vent over there, that side vent over there, and then this looks pretty freaking simple, man. Simple. It looks like you just plug and play right here. So you just clip them right on in, and then just mount it to the side, which should be fairly easy. So let's get this install going. All right, got that panel off on the side here, and then with this bracket piece here. You got it already hooked up into the mirror slot here. This little bracket piece here is gonna actually fit right into the same hole that you put the vent pieces on, and it will look just like that. And it'll be just enough so that you can still see the signal on the outside. Oops, sorry, I had the thing open on the whole time. So yeah, it'll be like this, and then the signals will stick out like a little bit on this side, and it'll be enough for you to see it from the front of the bike when it's actually on. And of course, I'll give you guys a demonstration when I'm done. All right, installation on T'Challa is now completed. You can't even see that it's actually on there, which is pretty dope. But then as soon as I go to turn it on, boom, bam. Looking real good, and this will give the drivers in front of me at least a little bit of an indication as to which way I'm going. Yeah, that was always my number one concern. They're not the prettiest looking things, but they'll do for right now. So yeah, don't forget to like and comment on this install. Let me know what you guys think, man. So I'll check you guys on the next episode. Peace.